Welcome back to our CRM tutorial series. In today's video, we are exploring the Notes section, a versatile tool that lets you document and track important information related to accounts, visits, and leads. Whether it's recording key points from client meetings or adding reminders, the Notes feature helps you organize all those details in one convenient place. Let's get started. You can create notes from anywhere in the platform using the shortcut button at the top, which allows you to quickly add notes related to accounts, visits, or leads as you work. Additionally, you can create notes directly within the Notes page, but keep in mind that when using this page, you'll only be able to make notes about accounts. If you haven't watched the previous tutorial on leads, accounts, or visits, I recommend checking them out to see how notes integrate into those sections. You'll find the links to those videos in the description below. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating, editing, and managing notes efficiently, ensuring you can always keep track of important client-related information. To navigate to the Notes section, select it from the sidebar menu. On this page, you can view all the notes in the system, except those related to a lead. You can also use the search section at the top to filter through the notes. Let's try searching using a conditional search. For example, we can look for notes with a specific keyword in their title. As you can see, the only note in the list is the one containing the keyword. You can also access the account or visit associated with a note by clicking on the account name or the visit code. Now the sidebar has changed to CHTP sidebar, and now if we click on notes, we'll be able to only see the notes related to CHTP. Do the same for a visits note. As you can see, here we can see all the available notes for this visit. If we create a new note for it, the note will also appear in the Notes page. Let's go ahead and create a new note for this visit. As you can see, the note we made is visible on this page too. If you need to edit or delete a note, you can use the buttons in the top right corner of each note. Whether the note is tied to an account or a visit, you can change the related account or visit, as well as edit the note's title and description. To create a new note from this page, you can use either the shortcut button that we saw earlier or the button in the top right corner. Keep in mind that if you're not on a visits page, whether you use the shortcut or the button here, you'll only be able to create a note for an account, not for a visit or a lead. Let's fill in the form and create a new note. Now let's delete the note using the remove button I showed you earlier. If you need to keep a record of all the notes listed on this page, you can export them using the export button in the top right corner. As you can see, the notes are exported in CSV format. That wraps up our walkthrough of the Notes section in the CRM. In this tutorial, we covered how to search for notes, create new ones, edit and delete them, as well as how to export your note for record keeping. We also highlighted the difference between creating notes for accounts and visits and how using the shortcut button can streamline the process depending on where you are in the platform. Remember, the Notes section is a simple yet powerful tool to keep your important client information organized. Whether you're documenting discussions, adding reminders, or storing key details about your accounts, visits, or leads, notes help you ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about optimizing your CRM workflow.